So I picked these toys up in a bag at a garage sale for $1. And you know, this is a prime example of look everything up. This little guy, I'm like, I've never seen that one before. And I probably wouldn't even have thought this was Little Mermaid, except it was in a bag with Little Mermaid things. So I immediately was like, I'm gonna look that one up. It says Disney Applause. And from my research, it looks like this is from the 90s. So this one may go with it. I don't know if I'll list them together, or I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I do need to do a little more research on these. This one looks like it comes from a different set, but these two, I would say, based on the bases, go together. Anyway, I'm gonna show you, the seahorse had some red on it like this, and I'm gonna show you how I got it off. And now it is like ready to go and looks really good, ready to list. So I'm gonna do a little research on her and decide if I'm gonna list her or what I'm gonna do. All right, so you see how it has red marks on it. I looked this up and I think if this one's from the 90s, it could be pretty valuable and a hard to find item. So I already got some off over here. So what I'm doing is I'm taking some water and some cleaning paste on this rag, and we're just gonna take it, and it's kind of gritty, and it'll take that right off. So if you ever find these toys and they've got issues like this, they will clean up. So especially if they're valuable, take the time to try to get that off. All right, so I repeated the process that I just did on the other one, and I got the marks off of there, and there was a mark right here on her tail that is now gone. So definitely worth the couple 30 seconds it took to get that off. Right, so when I originally picked up this lot, I was just gonna throw them in my Whatnot toy show, because I do that all the time. If I can get toys cheap at garage sales, I just throw them in my pile, so I have a very diverse array of toys to sell. But because I was listing on eBay and sorting through stuff that was in the garage, I saw this and thought, it's interesting, I'll look it up. I don't always do that, and a lot of people get a lot of really good things in my Whatnot shows because I just don't have time to look everything up. So if you're not following me on Whatnot, definitely come over and follow. There is a referral link down below where you can get $15 to shop if you've never been on Whatnot before. I mostly sell jewelry over there, but I do have toy shows. All right, so what I decided to do is I'm gonna list this one on auction starting at $74.99. because that was the highest sold I found, and that was the most recent sold. So that's what I'm gonna do with this one. And I decided, since I'm not really sure on her, I am going to list her separately. And I think I'm gonna start the auction at either $19.99 or $24.99. I'm not really sure yet. But stay tuned, I'm gonna show you another one that I found that has the same base that goes for big money. So let's look at that now. Sorry about the washing machine. I'm listing and running laundry and decided to make this video real quick. But this is the most recent sold for $75 that I found on eBay, which led me over to WorthPoint. If you guys are not using WorthPoint, you should definitely check it out. This one sold, I think this is the listing that I have on eBay for $75, and then $65 it sold on June of 2025. And this is why I'm doing an auction, because I just want to see. This one sold for $49.99. Is that 2020? Yeah, in 2020. And then, now wait for it. This one here, I'm guessing the person didn't have WorthPoint and had no idea how much value their item had. Either that or they've just gone up in value. This one sold for $12.90 in 2021. This here is another one to be on the lookout for. This is the Dolphin from the same series, and it sold for $49.99 in 2020. All right, so I have it listed on eBay for $74.99 on auction. We're gonna see how that goes. And I'm just showing you the pictures that I used for this listing. I wanna make sure that I show all sides of both items. I did create two separate listings, and I'm starting this one out at $29.99 on auction. All right, so I decided to look at other the Little Mermaid items that possibly could be selling for a lot of money. And this one right here sold for $218. And we're gonna go and research this more to see if this is actually a bolo or if this is just kind of a one-off thing. But you can see here, there are some other big money vintage Little Mermaid items. This one looks like Polly Pocket, looks like a old vintage watch that's still in the packaging, new old stock. These look pretty good right here. It looks like the Little Mermaid sisters seem to do pretty well. And then you've got, I'm not sure about those. Sometimes things aren't always what they seem, but this is from 1996 Bluebird. Anything that's Bluebird, Polly Pocket, you want to look up. A lot of those can be a bolo. So it looks like all the figures are there. So that might be a really good one. Again, new old stock items, items that are in the original packaging from, you know, the 90s look to be doing pretty good. Again, new old stock here. So not a crazy amount of high solds for Little Mermaids, but that toy I found definitely was a good one. So let's look at Doorables. And you see here, this sold for $199.99. It says Target exclusive Little Mermaid Ariel and Sisters figure set. So these look like the ones that you want to be on the lookout for here. Let's see what else. Yeah, it's this Target exclusive. So if you guys are out looking and you see the Little Mermaids, here's some more, $167.55 for those. So I just looked up Doorables because I wanted to confirm that that was legitimate. This looks like there's a whole bunch of them, so I'm guessing there might be some good ones in there. I've never really done a full research video on Doorables. I was searching Little Mermaid, but maybe it would be a good choice to go to eBay Solds and look at which Doorables are selling for big money, because apparently some of them go for a lot. But the Little Mermaid Target exclusive looks like the one to look for from this video. I can tell you guys that much. But I don't know what that is. Oh, flounder. Not sure. But even here, you know, these are just some of the other Little Mermaid ones. So be on the lookout if you guys are out at garage sales, thrift stores, estate sales, and let me know what you think about the PVC toy that I found and I have listed. Can you guys believe it? Do you think I'll sell it for $74.99? Do you think people will bid it up? What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for being here, and thanks for watching.